Sharon and I'm gardening in Zone 8A. If you're new here, thank you for joining me. I came outside, I was getting some long beans from the corn area and harvest some because I want to cook it. And you don't, I don't like it when it's like this. I should not have picked it because it's so big. You can feel the seeds in there. I like it like this size or this size. But then I saw the corn. This is the corn. And I'm like, okay, I need to harvest the corn. This one didn't get pollinated all the way. All of it did not get. Trying not to destroy the long beans. And I'm just twisting and removing. And we have corn. Amen. And we have bugs. Look at that. Didn't grow any last year, but God blessed us this year. And all I do is just lean it down and then twist. I'm sorry, I thought I was recording. I don't know why I didn't look and see that that light was not blinking. The recording light was not blinking. It was not. But I have pretty much cleaned. What I'm doing right now is cleaning all of the corn, removing the husk. And I was telling you guys that I'm going to be composting this. And this corn husk, it takes a long time for it to decompose. So don't be surprised if you're digging up your compost and you see that it's still there, that it didn't break down. But go ahead and put all of that into your compost. I will. I shouldn't, I don't know. I shouldn't say go ahead and put it in your compost. I am going to be putting it into my compost. So I harvest 25 corn cobs. I planted 27. I was expecting 54. Since this is my first time growing sweet corn or any kind of corn, I did see that it was producing 2 cobs, but the bottom cob did not mature. Maybe sweet corn does not produce 2. I don't know. Um, the reason I harvest 25 instead of 27, I broke one, and I did plant it anyway, and it did start growing, but it wasn't growing at the same rate as the other corn. So I didn't know if that would like be an issue. So I just removed it and placed it into my compost. My daughter Victoria, aka my lovey, she loves helping me in the garden. So I was handing her the water hose to water the corn, and she tripped over the corn patch and broke it, and broke one of the plants. I don't mind. I don't care. She loves being in the garden with me. I love her being in the garden with me. And I was still able to harvest 25 corns for my family. I gave some to my sister-in-law too. So everyone was enjoying corn that was grown in the backyard. Amen. I want to try this baby corn. Oh my God. I've never eaten corn without it being cooked. Like either boiled in some salt water with butter or roasted on the grill. Oh my God. That is so good. And soft. I'll get some to my kids. Guys, come taste this.
This is good.
Right? Mm-hmm. I ate Jaden's piece. He missed out. He's gonna get that's it for today. We harvest our corn. You guys have been there with me. I got milk. It's so good. It's so good. You guys have been with me from the beginning to the end. 365 days of the year. Yes. Let me stop singing. But you guys were with me when we put that in the ground together. And harvest time. Harvest time. We have sweet corn. You're going to have to forgive me because I have a new camera. And I'm constantly looking over there to make sure what's going on. I don't know why. I'm going to get into the habit of looking directly in the camera and not looking at myself. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to flip it back so I don't see myself. But this is our corn, our sweetness corn. And it is good. You know who I saw eating raw corn? The New Orleans gardener. She harvests her corn. It was a purple color looking corn. And she ate it. And I was like, people eat raw corn? Okay. Maybe I'll try it. I've never eaten raw okra before. But I grow okra 1 year here. And I ate it. And it was delicious. I started looking at okra totally different. I started looking at the food I grow totally different. So all of this was grown organically. Yes. We got some good sized ones here. And we have 25 corn. Well, less now because we ate. Because we ate that corn. But let me stop rattling off. I have to get my meatless Monday and my meal prep for the week done. And get the kids food prepping done as well. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me on this journey. If this video has brought you any value and encourage you to start your own backyard garden, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Thank you so much and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.